Your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
The other thing that's been skyrocketing is our temperatures since September 1st. Fall, September, October, November, meteorological fall. Beginning on September 1st, the temperatures have been just ridiculously mild. I know we've had some chilly nights and frost, and it seems weird when I'm going to show you these graphics and talk about the temperatures. But even with clouds today and obviously not much sunshine, temperatures in low to mid 60s, still way above average for this time of year. I updated the graphic. We're still in first place by a large margin, almost 3 degrees to the next year. And since records have been kept, this is the warmest fall on record. And if we can keep it going through the end of November, we're going to end up on the top spot. And there's nothing slowing this train down for the next couple of days. Temperatures stay way, way, way above average as we go into the end of the week, and even warmer for the weekend. So right now, generally low to mid 60s, we're about at our high temperature. We did that with clouds and some drizzle and some showers, but most of the activity is winding down now. Showers are moving out, and where we've had some fog and some clouds, already starting to see some drier air move in, and that fog is dissipating very quickly, and eventually the clouds will exit stage right, and we start to clear things out. Now, temperatures tonight will drop back to around 50 degrees, which means there'll be a few upper 40s mixed in. Not terribly cold for this time of year. Typical lows should drop back to around 40 degrees. We will be very mild overnight for early November. Sets up for a mild day tomorrow. Lots of sunshine. Winds turn northwesterly. They'll be very light. Look at those temperatures. Once again, mid to upper 60s, something that you would see maybe for the early October and not early November. A very mild day, and turns out to be a wonderful Wednesday midweek. Sunny and mild for southeastern Mass. And your temperatures topping out in the mid 60s, and overall, just phenomenal weather. And it starts a stretch of weather that's going to continue right through the weekend. This is really good stuff for early November. So Futurecast showed a few showers they're going to try to rip across here in the evening. I'm not buying it because they're not on the radar at all. And I think that this is a bit overdone, and therefore mainly dry through the evening, and the back edge of the cloud cover moving very quickly so that by midnight, most areas are clear. Morning, you wake up, not chilly at all. There's those temperatures around 50 degrees. Lots of sunshine for the day on Wednesday. Take your temperatures up into the 60s and enjoy some beautiful weather. Wednesday night, maybe a little cooler. We'll take you back into the low 40s, a few upper 30s mixed in. By far the coolest night in the next 7 days. And then by Thursday afternoon, maybe not hitting mid to upper 60s, but some low 60s with a few upper 50s mixed in. So just a little bit of a dip in the temperature, but it's still well above average for many locations. And it comes with a lot of sunshine and turns out to be a delightful day. So we know Wednesday's nice. We know Thursday's nice. And we know Friday's nice, because I'm going to tell you that right now. What about the weekend, though? First weekend of November. This doesn't look very November-like. What is going on? Did you take your AC out, Tiffany?
Yes.
Yes, she did. Didn't listen to Jeff. I'm just telling you. Saturday, 72. Sunday, 74. Wow, that's good stuff right there. It's about what my grades were on my tests in high school. But record warmth, it can happen. Saturday, the record is 75. I think that record is going to be okay. But the record on Sunday is 72, dates back to a whole whopping 2020. Remember how warm early November was in 2020? If you don't, I'll remind you, it was like 7 days in a row, 70 degrees higher. So we have a chance to break some records since records have been kept. And while we're sweating this weekend, don't forget to turn the clocks back. Daylight saving time comes to an end. And the sunset on Sunday, even though it's a warm day, will be at 4:33 p.m. Try to get to the 7-day forecast. There it is. You can see the warm temperatures for the weekend. A little cloud cover early next week, but overall, really warm temperatures, Tiffany.
Way to rub it in. I admitted to you yesterday on air I was wrong. I did it again today before the show. Now we've done it live on air. I was wrong. I should have listened to you. You were right. Should have left the air conditioning in. There we go. Still to come on